How's it going, everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today I'd like to show you my new bike. It's an e-bike by the brand Engwe, and the model is Engine Pro. So stick around and we'll go over it here shortly. Alright, let's go over some stats. So it is a full suspension bike. It's got a front suspension that does have lockout and adjustable preload, and then rear suspension is located right here. Both suspensions are of the coil variety. The Engine Pro does come with an upgraded rack over the EP2 Pro. It's a bit beefier and definitely cooler looking. It is equipped with a 8-speed Shimano shifter. It has 20 by 4-inch fat tires. The wheels are alloy. The disc brakes, I believe, are 160 millimeters, and Logan hydraulic brakes. It also comes with a headlight that is not the brightest and will not really help you see too well at night, but people will be able to see you. It also has a horn. In addition to the headlight, it also has a tail light / brake light. It has faux leather grips that aren't too bad. They're fairly comfortable with a thumb throttle. It has a nice color display. I believe they advertise a different display than what I got, because what I believe I got is the key display, or the KD986. It comes with a 750 watt motor with a 48 volt 12.8 amp hour lithium ion battery with LG cells. It comes with nice steel fenders. It is a folding e-bike. It folds at the handlebars and at the center. Let me cover a few things that it doesn't come with that my bike does have. It does come with folding pedals. I wasn't the biggest fan of them, so I got these quick release ones. I found them on Amazon. What's nice is they actually come with a nice spot to store them when you need to fold it up and get them out of the way. I've got that located just right under the seat here. This is the seat post and the seat that came with the bike. It's actually fairly comfortable, but you know, I'm getting older and I got a bad back, so I upgraded it to the wide bottom variety from Cloud9 with the patented fart hole. In addition to the Cloud9 seat, I also got the Suntour NCX suspension seat post. Not everyone's experiences may be the same, but for me, I did have to deal with Engwe's customer service, and they responded promptly and were very helpful. I had a slight delay in my shipping. It wasn't even that much. And to compensate for it, they actually included the rear bike bag for free, which is quite nice of them. And it's a very nice bag. It's got the water resistant zippers, expandable side panniers, and also the expandable top for more storage space if you need it. It's got a rear bottle holder, and it also has adjustable slots on the interior for your organizational needs. Engwe actually boasts pretty high range on this model. I believe it's somewhere between 50 and 70 miles. I don't remember exactly. Most of the time those are exaggerated numbers, but this does have the intelligent energy recovery system. And with that system, it includes regenerative braking. A lot of people are going to tell you that you're not going to get that much benefit, maybe an extra 10% range. And that's probably true. However, one thing that most people aren't realizing with the intelligent energy recovery system that this has is that it's not just regenerative braking. It actually will recover some energy loss while you're riding, not just when you're braking. There have been times where I've been going at a steady pace, around 22 miles per hour, and then all of a sudden I'm going slightly downhill to where there's less resistance for that motor to overcome, and I feel the motor cut out actually, and then I start seeing my battery percentage going up. I don't lose speed, I still maintain that speed that I'm going at, but I feel like it's definitely doing some recovery at that point. And so it's not just the regenerative braking. And if you read the manual, it basically words it as that as well. Now, I could be wrong about that, but the way it's worded in the manual, that's what it makes me believe. The regenerative braking will kick in if you're doing over 15 miles per hour, no longer pedaling or have the cruise control on, and you are in pedal assist 0 through 2. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. If there's anything I missed or if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. I'm going to be making another video about accessories and a few upgrades with this bike here soon, so look out for that one. Other than that, hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please leave me a like and think about subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I said like and subscribe. Al's an idiot.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Oh, wait, nope, wasn't pointing at you.
Like and subscribe.
One more time.
Like and subscribe.
Nope, still didn't get it.
Okay. Like and then subscribe.